Hey guys, what's up? John here, and I wanted to do a super quick video in regards to success, wealth, hitting all of your achievements. What's super important is to surround yourself with successful people. What's important in your life is to surround yourself with people who are hard workers, people who dream big, people who are successful themselves, people who are motivated to achieve more, people who question you, who aren't just yes men, but who make you a better person, who make you competitive. It inspires you. It really motivates you to do well, to do more for yourself. I'm thinking of an example even off the top of my head. For instance, I like to talk about money with and amongst my friends. And by talking about my savings goals and my plans for the future and hearing about their savings goals and their thoughts and the things that they would want to achieve, it kind of motivates everybody to do better. If you surround yourself with people who are always negative, who aren't motivated, who have no drive, then subconsciously it could affect you. It doesn't push you as much. My dad always used to say, only hang out with the good kids. That was his way of saying hang out with the right crowd. So if you want to do well academically, you should be hanging out with the people who are doing well academically and figuring out how they're able to do so, right? If you want to do well financially, you should surround yourself by people who are doing well financially and get input from them and understand and see what motivates them and kind of see what makes them different than you. I'm not saying compare yourself to them, but I'm saying that these people are resources and they can help make life a lot easier for you. They could help guide you through a path where you want to be. Life is already hard enough. The deck is stacked up against you. Life is not fair. And so by surrounding yourself with successful people, you give yourself a leg up in this crazy game known as life. That's all for my quick video today, guys. Hopping off the soapbox. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.